Hello everyone and welcome to 1980s Retro. I'm Neil Snedden and this is how to create channel art. Okay, so basically I'm a 3D animator. I wasn't very happy with the tiny little icons that YouTube provides you with, when you put your links on at the bottom of your channel art. So I decided to create my own ones. Basically I went onto Blender, which is a free program you can download, and created my own little channel art, channel icons to enhance my the ones that are already on there. So some of the tools I used Blender to create the mesh, which is free. Painted it on 3D Paint, which is also free. It's a good program, that. Then I used Affinity Designer for the rest of my art, which is a one-off payment of £48.99 or $49.99, and basically lined them all up on my channel art, and this is how they look. Admittedly, it's a bit hard to get them all lined up perfectly, but I think it enhances my channel quite a bit, and lets you know where the links are. So on this one I've put, when I'm uploading, I've put recent uploads, my channel art, my channel icons, and I think that's pretty good. It's all within the YouTube recommended settings. So yep, it's a bit hard to upload it because you have to sort of, jigger around sort of with the sizes a little bit just until you get it absolutely spot on, and it looks obviously different on mobile and normal TV than it does on your laptop, so bear that in mind when you're uploading art. So this is my channel, and like I said before, I think it looks pretty cool. This is what I was talking about. So you've got my little cloud guy over the SoundCloud icon, and Patreon, and my web channel, and my big red subscribe button. So on that note, if you'd care to subscribe to my channel, please feel free to do so. I'm happy to answer any questions and help you out with doing your own little mini icons. This is Tom Nash, by the way. He's been helping out with my channel, and just in general, he's a really cool guy. You can ask him any questions at all, and I'm sure he'll help you out. This is 1980s Retro. You've been awesome. Catch you later.
Game over.